Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to talk about the productivity settings that is accessible from the side menu from clicking on the settings and then timer apps, and under that click on productivity setting. This screen helps you to track the actual productive hours of the member by defining the productive, non-productive applications and the URL. Now what you can do here is you can just track the actual productive hours of the team members by deleting and by defining the productive and non-productive application and URL inside these boxes, and you can mention the name of the members for which you have to select for. Just click on this drop down and you just select the members, and then you can just select and enter the productive apps that you wish to enter for, and then you can just similarly do for the URLs. You can also add a business category from this drop down. If there is no business category, click on manage business categories. This screen comes up where you can just click here to add a business category to your specific organization, and once this is added, it is going to show up in the listing here. Click on that and have it saved. Now this settings get a reflection on the your dashboard. It is going to give you the listing of all of the productive and the non-productive apps and URL that you have mentioned here, which is being captured by the desktop application used inside the user's PC. So this was about the productivity settings. Thank you.